Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can write into cosine 3x and cosine 3x squared. Next we have the formula cosine 3x squared plus sine 3x squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine 3x squared. So I will put this one go to the right. Now I will change this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine 3x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 cosine 3x dx. Because we don't have the number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. Cosine 3x dx we change by this one. So u square multiply by number 1 and u square in here. Next, we have the formula so we put number 2 gone here, so we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. Number 4 we put in here, so we have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. About u, we have sine 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.